Good morning once more. Now, it is now another day that we have shifted a bit to grade 5 work, and that is addition of fractions, Now, in addition of fractions, there are many methods that can help you get the answer in addition of fractions. But now I'm going to teach you a very simple method that is going to lead you to the answer without a lot of complications. Now, my method is called multiplication method. Mark that, multiplication method. I've just written one of the question on the board. What does it say? It says that 3 over 7 plus 1 over 4. 3 over 7 plus 1 over 4. Now, my multiplication method, how does it work? My multiplication method is you multiply the denominators first. You multiply the denominators first. This is how it will be. You multiply the denominators first. Now, this is how it will be. 1, that is 4 times 7. Or rather, 7 times 4. Then the next one is you multiply the denominator, the second denominator, this one, by the first numerator. So that is 4 times 3. Are we there? Put brackets there. Then addition sign. And then you multiply the first denominator with the second numerator. Are we there? So that is by 7 times 1. What did I say? Step number 1, 7 times 4. Step number 2, 4 times 3. Step number 3, 7 times 1. Now, what are we going to get as our answer? 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 7 times 1 is 7. Then over. That's over. 4 times 7 is 28. 28. So, what's our answer? 12 plus 7, you get 19 over 28. So you get your answer as what I've just done on the board. Let me repeat again. The fraction was 3 over 7 plus 1 over 4. What are we going to do? What we do, I've said I'm going to use multiplication method. In multiplication method, step number 1, you're going to multiply denominator by denominator. That is 7 times 4, which is here. Then step number 2, you're going to multiply the second denominator with the first numerator. That is 4 by 3. And next, you're going to multiply the first denominator with the second numerator. That is 7 times 1. Now, you go on. 4 times 3 is 12. 7 times 1 is 7. 4 times 7 is 28. Then now you add this, you are going to get 19 over 28. As simple as that. That is how you get the addition of fractions. Now, let's try another one. The other one can be, this is number 1. Number 2 can be 5 over maybe 9 plus 2 over 5 plus 2 over 5. I've said step number 1 is make that line. Then make sure you multiply 9 times 5. 9 times 5, and that is 45. Then 5 times 5. Let me use the arrows to show you what is happening here. So it is denominator by denominator. That's number 1. Number 2, denominator by the numerator. That is 5 times, oh sorry, that is 5, that is 5 by 5, that is 5 by 5, 5 by 5. Then plus, the next one becomes this one, 9 times 2, 9 times 2. Put these ones into brackets, like that. Now we go on. We are going to make this line here. We're going to make this line here. Before that, I want you to note that we multiply 9 times 2. There it is, 9 times 2. So, can we try and now finish up? 5 times 5 is 25. Plus 9 times 2 is 18. Draw that line, put 5. Now, can we try to add this plus this? You are going to get 43 over 45. So our answer becomes 43 over 45. But I repeat again, multiply the denominator 9 times 5, you get 45. Multiply the second denominator to the first numerator, you get 5 times 5. Then 9 times 2 get that. So when you add these two, you get 43 over 45. I'm going to give you a good number of examples, mind check, so you can do it at home. Let's you try this. Work out. Work out. And what are you going to work out? What you are going to work out is this. Number one, 1 over 2 plus 2 over 6. Number 2, 5 over 11 plus 1 over 4. Number 3, 6 over 9 plus 1 over 3. And number 4, 7 over 11 plus 2 over 3. 2 over 3. Then the number 5 is 2 over 5 plus 3 over 4. 2 over 5 plus 3 over 4. Try this, and remember, after doing this, try your best to take a photo of it, send me on my WhatsApp number, or comment down there so that we can help each other to learn more. I'll stop there today. I believe in additional fractions we have gotten something. If I come tomorrow, we are going to talk about subtraction or fraction, but after doing the correction of this work. I believe wherever you are busy studying. You are busy taking your time to study. Use different books. Visit on my YouTube channel. You'll get a lot of content that will help you to research. I believe you are learning day after day. I love you so much. Make sure you go to YouTube. Subscribe to brec.tvonline. Yes.